Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Two Wanderers, your perfect travel buddy on YouTube. Today, we are going to show you an unforgettable weekend getaway for family and friends. Before that, do subscribe our channel if you haven't already. Come on, friends, let's explore together. Tada Falls. It is named after this falls located nearby Tada city in Andhra Pradesh. The actual name of this falls is Ubalamadugu Waterfalls. Hope you are getting ready for our adventure. Stay tuned till last. This place is located in the Eastern Ghats. It is just 80 kilometers from Chennai and 50 kilometers from Kalahasti and less than 70 kilometers from Tirupati. If you are visiting Tirupati or Kalahasti, I recommend you to visit this place. I bet you definitely enjoy roaming around this place with your family and friends. The entry fee for the forest entry is just 20 rupees per head, 50 rupees for two-wheeler and 200 for four-wheeler and 300 for other heavy vehicles. While we were cruising on our two-wheeler, we had an off-road experience on our way to the parking area. It is about a 3-kilometer ride from the forest entry to reach the parking lot or the base camp. We have now reached our base camp. We recommend you to carry enough water and enough snacks. There is no stall along the way other than a small shop in a base camp. At the starting point, there will be a metal bridge to cross the water. As there is no depth, you will witness the amazing sight of crystal clear water cascading down the rock. I bet it is a perfect escape for nature lover and adventure seekers. The initial trekking trail is easy to moderate until you reach the pool area or check dam. Prepare to immerse yourself in the crystal clear water as you walk across the stream. It will be a bliss journey of about 15 to 20 minutes to reach the check dam. Beyond this point, you can easily notice the terrain transforms. You will walk on the red sand and then encounter boulders as you continue journey towards the check dam. We are now in the most awaited check dam. It is a pool area. You can enjoy taking a dip, playing around and capture memories. The water storage is just 3 feet and it is suitable for all sort of crowd. It may go deeper if you go little far. Most of them who are coming here with kids and elders, they will stop here. I do recommend the same. This is not the end. Crossing the pool zone, you will continue to walk in the trail across the water stream. You can spot few natural ponds along with the water stream. Some places you will need to cross the river by walking through it. You will be tempted to play in these natural ponds. As we go towards the falls, this is where the adventure starts. The way becomes rocky and narrow, and some places you need to climb up the rock. If you have elders or kids with you, we are suggesting you to stay yourself in some pond unless they are adventurous. Please wear a proper footwear, else it is going to be very difficult for you to trek in this place. Mostly when I am coming to these places, I wear proper sandals. This time I have bought Decathlon purchased Kuchwa sandal. It has a very good grip, so I didn't face any problem. However, the friend who actually came with me, he suffered a lot. He was wearing Crocs sandal, but it was very slippery. He found very difficult to trek, and finally he gave up. He just thrown a slipper somewhere outside and he started walking in his barefoot. At some point we thought this is the end and most of them will end their trek here. We thought of taking a shower in this falls, but we saw 2 guys are still climbing up. There is only option to climb up further. Oh my god, on looking at this I gave up. It is very risky. Most of them won't dare to reach beyond this point. But still then, I came this far, why not give it a try? And I decided to take a risk to climb up further. I then asked these guys to support. Bro, is it difficult? They replied, not much bro, you can do it. This gave me a lot of hope. To go for the next level of adventure, so I need to climb up the rock with a single root support of the tree. It is not so difficult, but finally I did it. I was proud of my physique. I pat on my back to move on. I witnessed few gods are sitting here. I just checked with them, Babu, do we need to climb up further? They showed me the direction. I found from here the trek is getting harder. We climbed up in the slope. It appears to be 45 to 50 degree. Once we climb up to the certain point, we found it is leveling up. But still, on one side it is very slippery and slope. From top, we could sense the beauty of dense forest in the Eastern Ghats. After that, we need to climb down. It is too rocky and these rocks are very sharp. We could hear waterfall sound from here. Okay, my god, finally we reached. Guys, we are here, a topmost waterfall in Tada Falls. I am very much tempted to have a dip in this falls, but I want to capture this memory so that I can show you guys. It's time to freshen up. Oh my god, it is very chill and it is really refreshing after a long trek. We spent more than an hour here and we noticed people started flowing in. We could see receding waters are flowing from here and there. Those guys who supported us, they were going beyond this place for photos and videos. I don't want to take risk, so I am done here. I started early and reached to the entry gate by 8 am so that I didn't see crowd while walking towards the falls. But when I'm returning back, found huge crowd flowing in. End of the journey, we can expect good waterfall in monsoon. Winter is better, so I went in January. This place is safe and can travel with your friends and family to some extent, like I told you earlier. The washroom facility is available only at the base camp, that is near parking area. The best time to visit Tada Falls is post monsoon from September to January. Hope you enjoyed our journey as much as we did. Your feedback is really important to us, so please drop them in the comment below. And thanks a ton for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for notification. Stay tuned for more exciting travel journey. Until then, wander well and we will catch you in our next travel video.